Hello students, welcome to online IP classes. Today I'll explain about the list data type and some related topic in this video. After watching this video, you can able to understand what is a list, how to create it in Python and how to print it. So let's go with the first slide here. Now the first question is, what is a list? As you see, the first point is it is a built-in data type. In Python, there are different types of data types are used, but they mainly categorized into two types. The first one is fundamental and the second one is built-in data type. So the list fallen into the category of second one, built-in data type. Second, it is a container that hold number of other object. So what is the means of object here? While creating a list, we have to pass some values inside it. These values either in the form of number or in the form of character or the both. So these number values, character values are treated as object inside the list. So when we pass these object inside the list, so list looks like a container. Third, it can store numeric and character or both data type values. So list is a data type. Inside it we can store numeric values, we can store character values, or the both data types values we can be stored in a single list. Now the next question is how to create a list in Python. For this purpose we have to follow this syntax. These two brackets are used to create a list in Python. Between them, we have to pass the values inside it. The values can be separated with the help of separator, comma. After creating the list, we have to assign this list into a variable for the further use. For this purpose, left side of the assignment operator, we have to give the variable name here. Now, many types of list we can be create with the help of this syntax. Some basic changement we have to do for this one. If you want to create a blank array list, so for this purpose we have to just provide these two brackets, and after that we have to assign a variable for this one to hold these values, and after that we can be use it. Number list, when if you want to create a number list, so for this purpose these two brackets also used. Inside it we have to pass the values in the number format, and after creating this list we have to assign this list into a variable. In the same format, character list we can be created, and the character and the number both list we can be created. For better understanding, let's go into the Python cell. Now if you want to create a blank list, so for this purpose these two brackets are used. The blank list is created, but for the further use we have to assign this data type or this list into a variable. So here I provide a variable lst, and the assignment operator are used to initialize this list inside the variable. After typing this code, we have to use this variable for the further use. Like if you want to print it, then just run the print command and type the variable name here. You see the result like that one, because we didn't provide any value inside the list, so nothing will show here, just only empty box will be show here. It means that the empty list will be created. Next one, if you want to create the number list, so for this purpose the same code will be created, but the basic difference is that we have to pass some values inside it, which is in the format of number. So now we pass three numbers here, and after creating this number list we have to assign it into a variable. I use just predefined variable here. Now when we enter it, then the previous variable will be updated here. Now if you want to use it in further values, so for this purpose I use it into the print option. So just provide the variable name inside the print constructor here. When you enter, then you see the list is updated here. Now if you want to create the character list, so for this purpose the same thing happen, these two bracket, but inside it we have to pass the character values inside it. in Python, to show the character symbols, to show a symbol in the character format, we have to must keep them in a quoted format, single quote format, double quote format, or the triple quote format also. So for that one, if you want to initialize some values inside it, so for this purpose we have to use the quote format here. Quote format here. Now these two brackets are used to create the list into a single quote. Into double quote we just provide a character here. After creating this, we have to assign it into a variable. I just use the last one. After enter, the last variable will be updated. Or now if you want to see the result, then just use the print command here, and in the print constructor we have to just pass the variable here, and when you click onto the enter button, then you will see the result. So in the next video I'll explain you about some basic concept related to